We have to construct quadrilateral ABCD with AB 5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter, AD 5.5 and AC 7 centimeter. We will start with AB. Here AB we have to take 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw BC of 6 centimeter. Here I am taking 6 centimeter. We will draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter from this point. Now we have to draw AC 7 centimeter. So we will take a radius of 7 centimeter, and from this point A, this is A and this is B. From this point A, we will draw another arc of radius 7 centimeter here. Let this point be C. Now we will join AC and BC here. BC. Now we will join AC. Here DC we have of 5 centimeter, so we will take measurement of 5 centimeter from here. This 5 centimeter, we will draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter here. And AD we have 5.5, so we will take measurement of 5.5 here. 5.5. Now this point is D. Now we will join AD and CD. This is AD. Now we will join CD. Now we will write the measurement. AB 5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter, AD 5.5 centimeter, and this AC is of 7 centimeter. Thus our construction is complete. Now we are going to see second construction, second question, in which we have to draw a square of each diagonal. We are construct a square of each diagonal 6 centimeter. We know that the diagonals of a square are equal, and also they are the perpendicular bisector of each other. First we will take, or we shall make a rough figure like this here. We will have a square like this. Here each side of square have same measurement A, B, C, D. Here diagonal are also equal, they are of 6 centimeter. Let us start the construction. We will take a line segment of 6 centimeter here. Now let it be DB. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this BD. For this we will take more than half of this. It should be more than half of this. I am taking here one arc from here, point B, and another arc from here. Similarly, we will take point D and draw two arcs, one arc here intersecting this and intersecting this. Now we will join these 2 points. We know the length of the diagonal AC is also 6 centimeters. So we will take a measurement of 3 centimeter on the scale. This 3 centimeter I have taken. I will cut here an arc of 3 centimeter on this and another 3 centimeter on this. This point will be C and this point will be A. Now we are going to join these 2 points. First we will join BC. I have joined BC. Now we have to join, let us join AD. Now we will join AB. And finally we are going to join DC. In this way we have got a square ABCD with each diagonal 6 centimeter. This point O is the perpendicular, is the point at which both the diagonals intersect each other. Here this angle is 90 degree and this part is equal to this and this part is equal to this. In this way we have seen two constructions. Now I am going to give some questions for practice, in which we have to draw quadrilateral ABCD or construct quadrilateral ABCD with AB is equal to 8 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and finally angle A is equal to 60 degree. The second question, construct a square of each side 6 centimeter. Third question, construct a rhombus with each side 7 centimeter and one of the angles of the rhombus is 60 degree. These are the three questions for practice.